So this may look like a mini studio display, but it's not. And still, it's my favorite display these days. This is the Sotsu Flip Action Elite. It's a razor thin portable display, about 6 millimeters, plus it's super lightweight. This particular model has a 16-inch 4K panel which runs at 60 Hz, but you can check out other models too. They have a high refresh rate option as well. I love the form factor here, especially the build quality is super premium. The whole display, including the stand, is made up of aluminum. I got this particular model in silver color to match with my Mac Studio, but you can also get the black version. The display alone weighs around 925 grams and the stand is around 435 grams. The stand is detachable and it magnetically gets attached to the back of this display. You can slide this whole thing inside the sleeve, which also comes with this display. After setting it up on the stand, you can power this whole thing with just one Type-C cable, which also acts as a display cable. If you're going to use a MacBook with this display, then it'll draw around 15 watts of power from your MacBook, which isn't bad. Ideally, it should give you 3 to 4 hours of usage time, depending on your MacBook's battery health. But if you have a power bank, then you can power up this display and charge your MacBook at the same time, which is super cool in my opinion. The back has 3 ports and there's a place for a card reader as well. These 3 ports include the main Type-C port, a mini HDMI port, and there's a power pass-through Type-C port that you can use to power this display and charge your MacBook at the same time. The built-in SD card reader is also really handy when you're traveling, especially if you're a photographer or videographer. Talking about the display, this model has a 4K panel which will give you around 283 pixels per inch, and that is razor sharp. If you're going to use macOS with this display, everything will look super crisp. It also covers 100% color gamut, so the colors match really well with the MacBook Pro and Studio display. Since it's an IPS display, the brightness goes up to a maximum of 450 nits, which you can also control using this button at the back. By default, this display is calibrated really well, but you can tweak a few settings in this menu. It also has an anti-reflective coating, which helps a lot in different lighting conditions. You can use this whole thing both in horizontal and vertical format. The stand's flip action design even lets you flip it 180 degrees, so the screen sits above your laptop for a clean, elevated dual screen setup. Whether you're doing something productive or just watching short form content, this thing is ideal for both situations. Sadly, there are no speakers here, but that was expected considering how thin this display is. It utilizes the speakers of your MacBook, and you can either mirror your MacBook display, extend it, or just use this as your primary display. You can do this by going in display settings on your MacBook and just choosing this Sotsu display. Overall, it's a pretty sick and high quality display that I'm using a lot these days. Let me know if you have any questions regarding this display, and I'll catch you in the next one.